Obamacare is out and the American Health Care Act is in. This is the House of Representatives now. And again, as I said, I don't understand a word of it, but I'm going to just read some stuff. Obamacare subsidies, this is the big one, are repealed. So nobody gets free health care anymore. And the liberals are going to go wild on that. So that's out. This is according to the House. All right, Obamacare taxes are repealed. All right, so that you can't punish somebody for not having insurance through Obamacare as they were doing. All right, and you can't force somebody to cover abortions. All right, those are the three that are going to get all the headlines. What you're interested in, and Brit and I were talking about this segment before we went on air, was the $14,000 per family tax credit that is in this new ad that can be used to pay health insurance premiums, correct?
Exactly, Bill. And what's important about this is two things. One is that the Republican leadership is worried about removing the Obamacare subsidy and leaving people who were depending on those subsidies without the ability to pay for insurance. So that was a problem. They, this is what happens with entitlements. Once people become dependent on them, it becomes extremely difficult politically to take them away. So what they're doing here is they're providing a different kind of subsidy in the form of a tax credit. Make no mistake about it, though. That's what it is.
Right.
So basically, this is a different kind of subsidy, up to $14,000 to purchase health insurance. There will be, under this plan, it seems, a wider variety of plans available because a lot of the mandated items that were to be included in Obamacare approved plans are gone, and people can go out and get, as much or as little insurance as they think is right for their family, which I think is a big selling point. But there's a problem. A lot of the conservatives who wanted Obamacare repealed didn't like the subsidies, and they're not going to like this kind of subsidy any better than they did the ones in the original act. So it's going to be a challenge for the Republicans to gather the votes necessary to pass the bill, because the Democrats seem very unlikely to help.
Yeah, unless you give the free health care, they're going to vote against it. But this is in the House, so it's going to take a long time. They have to reconcile it with the Senate. They have to do all this business. But this is the first salvo.
Got a long way to go.
So it's the American health care.
And it's a real plan.
It is a plan that I don't understand, but that's okay. Hume, everybody.
That won't last long. You'll get it.